Hi everyone, I'm Donna and I am starting a new channel that I wanted to share with you today. It's called Donna's Corn-Free Cooking. And the purpose for this channel is for people who, like me, have a severe corn allergy. Corn is basically in every single thing in the market. It's in your medications, it's in your health and beauty aids, and it's in everything that you buy in the grocery store. So my purpose is, I've been this way for 16 years, and it's took that length of time to figure out how to be able to eat delicious foods that do not have any corn or corn derivatives. So what I'm going to do is share with you tips that I have on being sure that you can bake your favorite delicious goodies, but also have wonderful little meals that are corn-free, that don't take any time. One of the main things that I use is baking powder. I do a lot of baking. I was devastated because all baking powder has cornstarch in it. I have yet to find one that does not. There may be some out there, but they may be in an area of the country where I do not live. So my tip is going to be on how to make your own baking powder using baking soda and potato starch. And then on that same video, I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorites that I had from the time I was a child, and that's cornbread. Only it's not going to be cornbread. There is no corn derivatives or corn products whatsoever, and that is using cream of wheat. And I especially like to use the 2.5 minute original. I do not use instant when I'm making this product. So I hope you'll come on this journey with me so that I can show you guys how to make wonderful foods and to know what to look for when you are shopping. So I will see you next time.